Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Anna. Today we'd like to discuss about KD 3.4. It's about application letter. But before I explain about this material today, let's check it out about the KD and the purpose of this lesson. Okay, one. As usual, I teach bahasa Inggris for grade 12. Okay, this is the KD 3.4 and KD 2.4 it's about the pengetahuan. Menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk surat lamaran kerja dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait jati diri, latar belakang pendidikan, pengalaman kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kemudian KD 4.4 yaitu keterampilannya, menyusun teks khusus surat lamaran kerja yang memberikan informasi antara lain jati diri, latar belakang pendidikan, pengalaman kerja dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur tes, dan unsur kebahasan secara benar dan sesuai konteksnya. Kemudian lanjut dengan tujuan pembelajarannya, yaitu yang pertama, siswa mampu memahami tentang surat lamaran pekerjaan. Kedua, siswa mampu memahami tentang fungsi-fungsi dari surat lamaran pekerjaan. Dan yang ketiga, siswa mampu memahami tentang struktur dari surat lamaran pekerjaan. Okay, we are going to the next page. Okay, starting from the A, the function of application letter. An application letter is a cover letter, sales letter, and marketing tool in one package. It is usually a printed document attached to a resume. An application letter aims to achieve a slot for an interview and eventually a slot for hiring for the applicants. Thus, it should be well written and polished. The objective of an application letter is to attract the attention of an employer. It acts as a cover letter for your resume and should provide enough personal information to convince the reader to grant you an interview. Tujuan akhirnya sebenarnya berharap dengan adanya interview. The qualification you provide a potential employer should be included on your resume. Jadi kalau bisa semua sudah ada resume. Okay, next. It's B. The structure of application letter. These are also set rules for the section included in the letter, from salutation to sign off, and how the letter is organized. Here's a quick lowdown on the main section included in job application letter. Headings. A letter of organization should begin with both your and the employer's contact information, such as name, address, phone number, and email, followed by the date, if this is an email rather than an actual letter. Include your contact information at the end of the letter after your signature. Salutation. Talking about salutation. This is your polite greeting. The most common salutation is Dear Mr. or Miss, followed by the person's last name. Find out more about appropriate cover letter salutation, including what to do if you don't know the person's name or are unsure of a contract's gender. Okay. Body of the letter. Think of this section as being three distinct parts. And then the first paragraph, you will want to mention the job you're applying for and where you show the job listing. Okay, jadi pada awalnya paragraf pertama itu biasanya dicantumkan posisi yang kita inginkan, ya. Kita ngelamar untuk apa sih, untuk jadi apa di situ, ya. Kemudian pastinya pada body of the letter itu harus dipaparkan beberapa hal, ya. Next. Example. I give you some examples of application letter and curriculum vitae because according to me, these two things are quite important, especially for dunia industry in Indonesia. Okay, maybe you can find another example. It's okay, yeah, because especially in Google, yeah, under Google, you can see what is it? Many example of application letter and curriculum vitae. So you can find which one do you like or the most do you like of application letter and curriculum vitae. Okay? Okay, hopefully you can understand a little bit information mengenai application letter, and then maybe we can meet again in the next lesson, especially KD 3.5. It's about job interview. Okay, I think that's all for the lesson today. Thank you very much for joining my YouTube channel. If you have any information or you want to share anything to me, please, on my YouTube channel you can share anything. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.